Hi, I'm Eric with Christmas Lights, Etc. Wintergreen lighting string light kits come in a wide array of color options. You can choose warm white, cool white, red, blue, green, or multicolor. In addition to the primary colors, you get choices like purple, gold, orange, and pink. You can also get popular color combinations like red and warm white, red and cool white, red and green, and blue and cool white. All of these are available here on Christmas Lights, Etc. When you buy a kit, you get the bulbs and matching C7 and C9 stringer in either green or white wire with 12-inch spacing. All you have to do is choose the length you need. But maybe you want the freedom to do your own custom color light display. Let's say you want to do something unique to you, maybe red and gold Christmas lights. Can you? Absolutely. Instead of buying a kit, you'll want to buy your bulbs and stringer separately. Don't worry, it's easy. Let's say you want 50 feet of red and gold OptiCore C9 string lights. First, pick out your bulbs. OptiCore bulbs come in boxes of 25. So if you want 50 feet of lights and you're going with 12-inch spacing in your stringer, you'll need 50 bulbs. So you get one box of red OptiCore C9 bulbs and one box of gold. Then all you have to do is get a 50-foot C9 socket stringer in the color you want. Just be sure it has 12-inch spacing. And that's it. You've just created your own C9 string light kit. When it arrives, you'll screw the bulbs into the stringer, same as you would with a kit, and install them. Once you get the hang of it, there's no limit to what you can do. Using the same stringer, you can buy separate bulbs and put together Halloween light displays using purple and orange or purple and green, July 4th light displays using red, white, and blue, Mardi Gras, St. Patrick's Day, or make up something fun for a birthday, anniversary, anything you like. You can mix it up with the stringer too. You can get lengths as short as 10 feet or as long as 1,000 feet. You can get 6-inch spacing, 12-inch, 15-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch, and you can get green, white, black, or brown string color. With options like that, you can light up patios, porches, balconies, decks, landings, campers, steps and stairways, outbuildings, you name it. Whichever option you choose, kits or do-it-yourself stringer and bulbs, you can have lights you're going to love for Christmas and all year long.